Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to make a strong whitening oil. You can add it to your lotion, you can add it to your glow oil. So without wasting much time, we'll dive into this video. I'll be teaching you guys how to make this strong extra bleaching oil. Yes, it is an organic oil, but yes, it is very strong. Cannot be used on the skin alone. So the first thing I'll be adding to my bowl is my glycerin. Of course, my glycerin. I'll be needing 42 grams of my glycerin. I'll be needing 42 grams of my glycerin. Ish, that's too much already. So that's 42 grams of my glycerin. So the next thing I'll be adding to my mixture is my propylene glycol. I'll be adding 20 grams of my propylene glycol. I'll be adding 20 grams of my propylene glycol. 20 grams. So that's 20 grams of my propylene glycol. The next thing I'll be adding into my mixture is my distilled water. Yes, I'll be needing distilled water in this. Instead, you can either use your rose water, your distilled water, or your hydrosol. Any of it, you can use any of it, but I'll be using my rose water instead. I'll be using 20 grams of my rose water into this. 20 grams of my rose water. That's 20 grams of my rose water into this mixture. This is a very effective oil. It is a lightening oil that can be added to your oils, your lotions for better results. So the next thing I'll be adding to it is my sodium lactate. I'll be adding 2 grams of my sodium lactate into this. I'll be adding 2 grams. So that's 2 grams of my sodium lactate. I'll go ahead and mix this very well. It's a bit hot, so that's the reason I said you can't use this directly on your skin. You need to mix it with a lotion or a oil. So the next thing I'll be adding into this is my snow white powder. I'll be adding 5 grams of my snow white powder into the oil. But I'll be measuring my snow white powder in a separate bowl. I'm measuring 5 grams of my snow white powder. So that's 5 grams of my snow white powder. I'll be taking a little of this oil to dissolve the snow white powder before adding it completely into the mixture. So I'll be dissolving my snow white powder in this before adding it to my mixture. So I'll go ahead and add it into the mixture completely. Then I'll mix this very well. I'll mix this very well. After mixing this, I will add my preservative to this. Just 1 gram of my preservative to this. Just 1 gram. I'll also be adding 1 gram of my essential oil to this. And I'll go ahead and mix this very well. You can see how beautiful it looks. You can see how it looks. This oil do not look that it's just few ingredients that are here. This oil is very effective. It is very effective. Even if you want to use this oil alone, make sure to use it only at night. And if you bought a lotion, maybe it was not very effective, you can add this oil to it. Aside from that, you can also add it to your glow oil for better results. This is a very simple and yet effective oil. Make sure you get the original product, especially the snow white powder, because it's one of the active ingredients in this recipe. So make sure you get the original ingredients to make this, to get a very good result from this. I'll go ahead and bottle this and show you guys what our 3D bleaching whitening oil looks like. I'll be right back. So this is what our oils looks like. You can see how beautiful it looks. Just forget the fact that this is looking very beautiful. This is very effective as well. Like I said, add it to your lotion or your oils for better results. And some people, even though I said don't use it on your skin, some people will still want to use this thing on your skin. If you want to use this product on your skin, make sure you use it only at night. Only at night. Rub it on your skin and sleep. Not that you're wearing this and going into the sun. You don't want to damage your skin, and this is going to give you a very good result. It is really nice. It is very effective. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell for more videos from us. Thank you very much for watching my videos today. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace.